In this video, I will show you how to change your target location in Google Ads. To do this, simply go and open up Google Ads, and then in the left menu go to Campaigns and click on the drop down under Campaigns, and there also click Campaigns. There you will be able to find all of your campaigns. Now what you want to do is, if it's just for one campaign that you want to change it, hover over that campaign and click Edit Settings. If it's for multiple or even for all of them, you can just go and select them by ticking the box, or select all of them by going in the top left right there. Now from there, just click on Edit and then go to Edit Targeting. Now I only want to do it for this one, so I'll just click on Edit right there. And then what you want to do is scroll down, and then under Other Settings you can see Locations, so click on it. For me it's set to the Netherlands. I can also enter another location. For example, if I only want to target Amsterdam, I can just type in Amsterdam, and then here I'm going to click on Include. And now I am only going to target Amsterdam once I click Save, and then click Continue. So now you can see Other Settings, Locations, Amsterdam, North Holland, Netherlands. So that's how you can change the location targeting in Google Ads. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.